Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the show. Dylan here. Today we are talking about how to hack Uber surge pricing in order to make upwards of $50 to $100 per hour, okay? This is a massive trick that a lot of drivers are doing, but many drivers are not aware of this at all. So please thumbs up the video before we jump in. I wanted to say, if you're looking for a new way to make money, there is an incredible opportunity to make thousands of dollars per month right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. It's something that I've been doing for over 5 years now. It was how I was able to buy this house. I've been making over $10,000 per month. I'm just gonna go into my earnings dashboard here and show you right here, even in the past 365 days, one of my several YouTube channels has brought in over $10,000 per month, some days making over $1,000, $2,000 a day. And if you just go to some of these months here, you can see $30,000 in a month, $20,000 in a month. So if you want to learn how to do it, I have a link below, and right now there's a 30-day free trial, so you can try it out without any risk at all. And then you can just cancel it if you don't like it. But I know many of you watching this, it will change your life because it changed mine. And I know a lot of you guys out there are smarter than me or more hardworking than me. I honestly feel like I'm a pretty lazy guy. So if I can do it, I know you can too. So click my link, sign up, and try it out. All right, let's get started, shall we? There are 5 tricks to get a cheaper ride when Uber prices surge. So Uber passengers are trying to scam drivers with, with getting a cheaper ride. However, drivers can also use Uber surge pricing in order to hack the surge and get higher paying rides, right? Do you want to go out and drive Uber and only get $3 in a ride? No, you want to make sure you're going out. So here are my tips. Number 1 is you want to utilize the busy times during airports. I mean, you can look up flight data literally on Google and see when all the busy flights come in at the times. And what you want to do is you want to position yourself around 20 minutes outside of the airport. You don't want to go right in the airport. Or another thing you could do is when there's a really busy concert, go on Gridwise or go on some of these concert apps, Ticketmaster, whatever. In your area, whenever there's a really massive concert, there's, Harry Styles, Beyonce, some massive artist playing, Coachella. What you want to do, my friends, again, you want to stay 20 to 30 minutes outside of the arena, or if there's a, a football game going on or something. You want to stay 20 to 30 minutes outside the arena. Coffee break, hold on. Because the way surge pricing works, my friends, is if you get a ride through the busy area, you'll hit the surge while you're driving through it, but you don't need to actually stop at the concert area. Does that make sense? So like, let's say you're in downtown LA, or there's a Lakers game going on in downtown LA. Well, that's, if you know anything about downtown LA, there's a freeway that runs through it, but you don't want to get off the freeway because you'll be stuck in tons of traffic. But if you can just get a ride going through, that way you can hack the surge, but you don't, so you get all the benefits of the surge, but you don't get hit with the downside, which is getting stuck in all that heavy traffic. So that's my advice there. Another thing you can do with surge pricing is do not chase the surge. Is it worth it to drive 5-10 minutes to hit the surge area? No, right? You do not want to waste gas and waste wear and tear in your car. Your car is your precious possession. You don't want to use your car, you don't want to spend money on your car when you're not making any money on it. Does that make sense? So anytime you're driving around looking for rides, driving around trying to get to the surge, you're essentially in a negative, right? Because you're not making any money, but you're putting miles on your car, right? And the IRS says that any miles you put on your car is worth 67 cents. So those are my tips. Again, if you're interested in joining the Faceless YouTube channel, where you can see that how I was able to bring in over $37,000 in a month, $20,000 in a month, the last 365 days, bringing in over 10 grand a month. Again, check out the link below. There's a 30-day free trial right now. Check it out. It might change your life. Otherwise, guys, thanks for watching.